What's going on, everybody? Arty84 here, live from Boston, Massachusetts, on a very special day today. It was 5 years ago today, July 27th, 2017, we started the Wicked Explorer channel, formerly known as, what the hell did I call it before? Oh, the Daily Quickie. 584, and we actually started the Daily Quickie way before that, back in 2016, summer of. We did the Facebook Live, and to give you a little story about it, let's see what happened was. Let's sit and enjoy the day. We started the Daily Quickie in 2016 by myself. Was basically what I would do is I would go and I would just videotape myself doing stuff around. This is before I actually found out really about YouTube and vloggers and stuff like this. I kind of was doing it without even actually kind of knowing what they do, and I kind of wish I found out about them earlier, because I would have started that a lot sooner. I kind of got on late on the YouTube thing. 2016 goes by. Around 2017, after I've been exploring the country for 10 years probably, not really, just kind of been documented but haven't really been posting anything, I come across this guy, Adam the Woo. And during this time, he was in his streak of consecutive daily uploads every day. Every day we do something. I don't know what number he was at this point, but he was towards the end of his tenure of doing it every single day. I believe it had to be somewhere around God, so if I started this in July, so I think you only had a few months left, right? We're just doing it every single day. Excuse me. And then, as I found him, I was like, oh, this is interesting. I wonder if I could do this every day, or, you know, I didn't realize there was actually people out there doing what I was doing with the Daily Quickie. I don't know if I've been under a rock for 10 years or whatever, because all these guys started around 2009. And here I am, 2017, 8 years later to the gig, finally doing it. But so I go, all right. So what I started doing was I started just recording stuff around Boston. I was on the road a lot, so in the city, so I was just recording some cool sites and everything, and, you know, documenting them. And as you can see, some of the earlier episodes on the Wicked Explorers, we can see that. And, I thought it was very interesting to do, and then I took some of the old quickie stuff that I did on Facebook and put that on there. And, you know, I didn't have the material to do it every day. If I could at least get a video out a week would be good. So fast forward now, you know, we try to do 2 videos a week for you guys, and then we do the podcast, the Arty84 show, which we used to be on its own YouTube channel, but honestly, I wasn't getting the volume that I was looking for on its own channel, and I figure it'd be probably better off to do it on the Wicked Explorers channel, because, you know, that's where most of the people come to see material and everything, and it's kind of a bonus you get in a podcast once a week or so as a, you know, an extra for free. And then we started a Lego channel, and we're doing pretty good in the Lego channel, but it just, when you're running 3 different channels, it's kind of a pain in the butt sometimes. So I figure it's just easy to just put it all together. And, you know, if I get to Lego stuff each week, great. If I don't, no big deal, but it's there. Same with the podcast and all the material and everything. So we were the Daily Quickie, which basically was just me and whoever I was with, till about, I want to say 2017 or 16. No, it was actually 2018. It was March of 2018 we changed the name. And March 2018, or I can't remember because it's so far back. It was either March 2018 or it was December of 2017. And I remember exactly where we decided to change it. Me and Suzi J were in the airport in Miami. So I think it was 2017. And we're just sitting there talking. Our flight got delayed. We're flying back home, and it was a snowstorm, and we had to change our flight and all this jazz. And we're like, oh, we should change the name of the, you know, page. Like, it's all of us, right? At the time, it was just me and her for the kids. So we thought, oh, it's cool. Like, what's cool? Like, what's Boston? Like, Wicked. Everyone says Wicked, right? So, like, the Wicked Explorers. We're exploring. wicked cool. And that's how the name, as we know it today, was shaped, the Wicked Explorers. And then we just did everything that way, so it's easy that way. Now we get the 2 kids involved, so now it's 4 of us, and they get the dogs and everything like that. So 5 years ago today, we started the page, and it evolved over time, and it's still going strong so far, which is nice because we get to share some of our adventures, and not only that, it's to document a lot of the stuff that we do, just for like almost like home videos, right? They'll always be there. So a lot of people are like, well, how do you guys afford doing this? Well, a lot of the stuff is our trips anyway. So a lot of the places we explore, if I'm on the road for work, I'm stopping and seeing them, so it's not really costing anything. I'm already out. Other things were planned vacations we had anyway, so we just decided to check out some other things, like when we go to Florida every year or Tennessee every year, we check that stuff out. A lot of stuff, we like baseball, so we go to baseball and sports events all the time anyways. So while we're there and we're exploring new parks, I might as well share with everyone. So that's another thing that we do. So the money we're spending, we put some money into it, but it's not 100% for the channel. A few things that, like when we do the website, and you know, when we do some stuff that I wouldn't ordinarily do. But I'm like, yeah, it would be good material for the channel. It's just stuff in general. But what we do is that we try not to actually spend a lot of money on stuff. I know it kind of sounds weird. So basically what we do is we have lots of cards of perks, and people always ask us something like, well, how do you guys stay at all these hotels? How do you fly all this stuff? Well, basically what we do is we don't spend a single dime unless we get points from it somehow, whether it's for airline, whether it's for hotel. Those are our 2 biggest ones right there. We have some other cards to do with it, but the thing is, we were paying our bills anyways each month, so we might as well have gotten something for them. So basically what we do is we just make all the payments on the card at the end of the month and just pay it off at the end of the month, so we're not paying any interest. So basically what's happening is we're just transferring money and getting points and being able to book hotels and stuff. Like this year, for example, we stayed at 30 nights in a hotel, and we think we paid for 2 nights, I think. That's when we were down in Florida. So that's the key way to do it. So anyone could do that. All you gotta do is go look for cards that give you these benefits and these perks. As simple as that. And you can switch your cards out. You know, some might have annual fees and stuff, but you know, you figure in what it would cost to, you know, fly and how many points you get with the annual fee. It all works out. Plus all the perks and the benefits you get of stuff. Going to the lounges in the airports, you know, free upgrades of your hotel, and like stuff of that nature. So like that's the key thing. So if you guys wanted to get started doing something like this, but don't really have the money for say to start like everything up, I would look into, you know, just getting some cards, some credit cards that can give you some perks to help you with your adventure. Some people have a Disney card that gives you perks to get Disney and stuff like that. So that's basically how we kept this page going strong, and you know, just kind of working on the weekends, doing stuff we would ordinarily do anyways, which is kind of cool. But that was it. That was probably the number 1 question we have. Otherwise, why do you do this? And I said, it's fun. I enjoy YouTube. I just think I wish I got on board a lot sooner than I did 5 years ago today. But July 27th, 2017, we started. I always remember this day because it's my mother's birthday today. Happy birthday to my mom on July 27th. And I have a few friends also born on the 27th of July as well. So they actually, it's a special day. It all works out nice. So thank you guys who have subscribed. We're almost at 2,000 subscriptions. We'd like to get to 2,000 by hopefully the end of the year. That's I think an achievable goal. We're only 25 subscribers away, considering where we started from. I think it's pretty good. And all you guys' support, got people to leave comments. We're always looking for feedback, any questions, anything you want us to see. You know, like us on Instagram, let us know, send us an email, all that cool stuff. But thank you guys so much for celebrating this 5-year anniversary, and keep them coming for it as long as you guys are watching. So thank you. Bye.